Many balalaika players, especially professional musicians, have instruments that are not factory-made but handcrafted by masters. The cost of such instruments usually starts from $1,000. I have been playing the balalaika for 4 years, and of course I do not yet have a professional instrument. My first balalaika cost about $50. As the playing level progresses, a poor quality or cheap instrument hinders your development because its performance capabilities simply run out at some point. But I thought, why not try to play a piece at my current level on the balalaika with which my journey began? Let's see how it turned out. It is how I sound today, but I hope one day to play on my dream instrument. If you'd like to support my dream, you can find the link in the description. Thank you for listening.